Welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Wednesday the 3rd of March 2010. So far this morning the focus has been back to Greece once more. We've just seen in the last few moments hitting the wires the latest out of the cabinet meeting of the Greek finance ministers, PM and various officials. They have outlined further austerity measures to the tune of a total at 4.8 billion euros. I've just got the comments here which have just been released, so running through some of the key headlines in this latest package. Again, as mentioned, a total 4.8 billion euros, that's divided into cutting spending by additional 2.4 billion and passing measures to raise additional revenues to the tune of 2.4 billion. On the breakdown, they're freezing pensions for this year, they're raising VAT tax to 21% from previous 19%, and to cut civil servants' bonus salary payments by 30%. That's been received quite positively so far by the European markets. We've seen a further tightening in regards to the spreads. The Greek 10-year bond yield spread has narrowed below 300, trading around 290 basis points, the lowest it's been since around the beginning of February. So bonds are trading lower and stocks are in pretty much unchanged territory, having seen a little bit of a lower open. Financials getting a bit of a boost on that comment. And in particular, the euro benefiting, seeing around a 20-pip move to the upside on the back of those latest measures, which were seen to be around the top end of the size in terms of market expectations. In terms of some of the other notable moves, a bit of a bid in the pound, retracing some of the hefty losses we've seen since the beginning of the week. We've seen the latest in the services PMI for the UK coming in a lot stronger than expected, indeed the highest we've had since January of 2007. That caused around also a 20-pip pop on the upside in cable. Also, the front page of this morning's FT suggests that Prudential, who have fallen around 20% or so since announcing that $35.5 billion deal with the Asian assets of AIG, they've said that that deal potentially might not be or have the legs to be followed through, and therefore cable has seen a bit of reversal on that news as well. In terms of some of the things to come today, obviously ahead of non-farms on Friday, the focus does remain very much on jobs. Today we'll be looking out for the challenger numbers out of the US as well as ADP employment change, and then for the oil traders we'll be eyeing the DRE weekly numbers. That'll be later on in the session.